Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to install and configure FortiAnalyzer on VMware ESXi step by step. If you're working with Fortinet security solutions, FortiAnalyzer plays a very important role in log management, monitoring, and reporting. Download the FortiAnalyzer VM virtual appliance image for VMware ESXi from Fortinet.com, and save it to your local computer. Log in Fortinet portal and download VM FortiAnalyzer 7.6.6 new deployment file. After download, extract the zip file. FortiAnalyzer VM minimum system requirements: minimum CPU 2 CPU, RAM 4 GB, disk 250 GB. Open browser and log in with root credentials to ESXi. In VMware ESXi web interface, select Create or Register VM. Select Deploy a virtual machine from an OVF or OVA file. Select Next. Enter name for the FortiAnalyzer VM GHLDC FAS01. Select or drag and drop the fmg.vmdk, datadrive.vmdk file in FortiAnalyzer VM64 OVF file. Click Open. Select Next. Choose your data store, where VM will be stored. Select Next. Accept license agreement. I agree, select Next. Configure your network interface mappings. Network 1 is function management network and network 2 to 4 no function in this lab dummy network, but we have select all ports same network. Disk provisioning thin or thick, in this lab I have select thin. Then select Next for other configure. Review your configuration before finishing the wizard. If all configure is OK, then select Finish. Go to Virtual Machines for Review VMs. Wait until upload completes. Click the Recent Tasks for review the process. Monitor the FortiAnalyzer VM readiness state and power on the VM only after the process has finished. Select FortiAnalyzer VM, click Power On. Open the VMware console. We need to wait until shown pop-up username. Open the VMware console and log in with default credentials, admin/no password, enter new admin password, press Enter. Now configure network. By default, Fortinet VMs often ship with a static IP, like 192.168.1.99, or DHCP enabled. If your lab network is on a different subnet, for example, 10.0.0x, you won't be able to talk to the VM until you manually align the port 1 address via the console. Follow my steps for configure your network. Now configure system DNS as shown in this video. Now configure gateway. Config system route, edit port 1, set gateway IP and set port. After completed setup IP, gateway and DNS, now check ping reachability 8.8.8.8. Now it is possible to reach HTTPS SCUI, open a new tab, type your FortiAnalyzer IP. We need to register this FortiAnalyzer in Fortinet portal, using your Fortinet portal username and password. Following my steps for active FortiAnalyzer, accept this FortiAnalyzer license agreement. After accepting the license agreement, FortiAnalyzer connects with FortiCloud for license validation and will restart afterwards. Login admin username and password. Perform the steps to complete the setup of this FortiAnalyzer. Register an SSO with FortiCare or select later choose begin, then specify host name as your suitable. Turn off automatic system backup. Finally, setup completed. In this video, I will show you how to install FortiAnalyzer on VMware ESXi step by step with full configuration. Thanks for watching.